Hi everyone, it's Ruth Carol here again. So today we are going to be unboxing an infrared thermometer, and the most interesting thing, or the key, or maybe the key thing about this thermometer is that you don't have to be in close range with the point of measurement. You can just take your temperature measurement at a distance, which is more safer and interestingly fun. I know. So feel very much welcome to this video, and let's get right into it.
So this is our infrared thermometer. It is also very useful equipment, especially when you want non-contact measurements. For example, when you are dealing with furnaces and boilers, you may need to be at a distance from those utilities. So this one, once it powers up, you simply point it as a gun, and it has a laser pointer that gives you exact position of the measurement. Okay.
Also minimum and maximum.
Yes, of course. Now those are other facilities which are inbuilt into the equipment. If you want minimum values, it will give you. If you want maximum values, it will give you, depending on what mode you choose. Okay, there is a menu here for deciding what you want. Okay, and then you can also save the measurements and download them onto your laptop. Save mode here. There's a menu here that gives you a choice on what to measure.
Interesting, right? So that was it about this video, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments or any questions that you have in the comment section. I'm also going to leave a link to a more detailed blog on the infrared thermometer. Bye. See you soon.